What is up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix photos disappearing issue in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now search here photos. Now click on Photos app and click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your Photos app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to your home screen and open your Photos app. Now click on Albums and scroll down and here you can see the option recently deleted. Now here you can check your recently deleted videos, photos, everything. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.